Last month, I visited MOME University in Budapest for a workshop that focused on sketching and Viscom AI. It is not my first time here, and every time I return, I enjoy how inspiring this place is. The beautiful campus, the energy, and the creativity of young designers. It's visible everywhere you go here, and I was lucky to have a sunny weather. One of the biggest advantages of studying at MOME, the collaboration with Mercedes Design. For over 20 years, Mercedes designers have been visiting MOME to guide student projects. Students receive professional feedback and they get a real contact with them. And these connections, these opportunities often turn into internships or even full-time jobs. Actually, when I was there this time, one of the students got an internship offer by Mercedes. Who are you?
I'm Benny, transportation design student here at MOME. I'm doing my Master's 1 and this was my previous project that I did here.
Was it yesterday that you learned you got an internship at Mercedes?
Yeah, I haven't started the application yet, but I got the opportunity, yes. I'm really looking forward to it because that's what I worked for in the past few years here at MOME. So I have my presentation here of my previous Mercedes project actually, which his name was Urbane, which is a project that is really close to my heart. Our task was here to design a car inspired from an influencer's character. And my influencer was Evan Mock, who you see on the screen. He's a high fashion model and in the same time he's a skater guy. And this duality was what I found really interesting and put into automotive context. In my concept, I tried making a car that is inspired from the high luxury and the high fashion kind of inspirational field and the skater and street style inspirational field as well. And I imagined a car that could actually be in use. It's not only something to look at, but more like something to use. I had so much directions to go in when we were in the project. This was the first one I, let's say, dived deeper into. I also, through the whole process, tried illustrating my car with a lot of people near it to make this social kind of feeling that my car had, I think, stronger and easier to attach to, I would say. But this direction wasn't the one that I was going with. It was this direction where I tried aiming for a really geometrical silhouette inspired from skate parks, really geometrical form, language. And also I tried making the silhouette of the car really iconic, let's say, so it's easy to remember and something that is a statement, because I found that the concept I had was really like a hard statement. I also tried experimenting with different practical elements of my car. How could they use it when it's in action? And also the interior part, I took a few sketches on it. Here my inspiration was kind of the same. I tried implementing some forms of skateboard silhouettes and some more inspirations from the classical side of car design. Also, I think you see here that in the parts of the wheel I tried, like the steering wheel, I tried bringing in that really classical, huge kind of Mercedes wheels. And in the end I have some final visualizations of my car that was mainly made in Blender, but after that I used other AIs to work on it, for example Viscom and Midjourney as well. Yeah, and on the renders I also tried giving that dual feeling out, like the high fashion feeling and the street style feeling as well. And this is how it will look like in like its own environment. So that's about it.
Did you do the clay model yourself? How does it work?
Yeah, every year we have a really good helper for us, a real clay model from Mercedes. Yannick, he always helps us a lot with the process, but in the end we finish our models ourselves with the die knocking and the shot lines, the finer details, everything. And in the end, the final step is printing the stuff out that is only printable, for example the wheels, the interior parts and some other ones as well. And that's what puts the cherry on top, I would say.
All right, Benny, thank you very much for sharing the story behind this car. Congratulations again on your upcoming internship.
Yeah, thank you. Happy to share my experience with you.
During the 3-day workshop, we focused not only car design, but also mobility design in general. Students from different semesters joined to the workshop, and it made it more interesting because each level has different challenges. We sketched on paper, developed those ideas in Viscom, we discussed their ongoing projects, and we even had a 1-minute sketch challenge at a Mexican restaurant in the evening. And one of the winners of this challenge created this the next day. Tell me, who are you again?
I'm Botond. This is my third year at MOME at Mobility Design.
Last night we did a sketch challenge and you
Yeah.
were one of the winners on one of the rounds. You are a very cool sketcher, I would say, like very nice sketch style. Could you show me this one in front of you?
Yeah, sure.
That's pretty nice.
Thank you.
And you put it on Viscom and you came up with these results. Please walk me through, how did it start? What did you do and how did you come up with this?
Well, my piece sketch was this. Yeah, that was a quick sketch. And I just put it on colors, material like that glass part.
Did you do it on Photoshop or in Viscom, this part?
In Viscom.
Okay.
After that, then I put there some environments, put there some package stuffs.
Are you a Star Wars fan?
Yeah, we could say that.
This one, which is kind of jumping, it is also very nice. So thank you very much for showing me the process.
Thank you.
Who are you?
My name is Uroš Gavrilović. I'm a student at MOME for my first year of master's.
You're not from Budapest, right?
No, I'm from Belgrade, Serbia, and I came here this semester.
The language of the education is English? Or
Yeah. It's in English. I'm learning a bit of Hungarian as well, but yeah, all of the classes are in English, thankfully, for me.
And how did you find out MOME?
I found out about it through some of my classmates who were here at a material seminar, and also I watched one of your videos, which kind of cemented my decision that it is a good school.
Are you happy so far?
It's great. It's been amazing so far, really. Just the people, the professors, the collaboration with Mercedes, the all in all facilities, just it's really all amazing.
So would you recommend MOME to other international students?
Yeah, of course. There's people from all over the world, really. I have colleagues from South America, from Asia, from all across Europe. And the thing about MOME is they really have great scholarship opportunities. I myself am here on a scholarship. And yeah, it's just an overall great institution.
Now you will hear directly from Daniel, who is the co-leader of the Mobility Design Department together with Andras. But before that, I just want to say thank you to them for inviting me to MOME. It was a great experience to see the students, seeing their projects and also their progress. It inspires me as well. And spending time in Budapest is just a nice bonus.
I'm Daniel Rupert, the co-leader of the MOME Mobility Lab. We are here researching the future of mobility, especially automotive design in collaboration with Mercedes-Benz. In the Mobility Lab, we try to model the whole process of design as it would be in the industry. So we start from sketching, we do CAD models, also clay models, scale models.
There are also professional designers coming from Mercedes, so they really experience the real life process, right?
Yeah, exactly. So in a semester, after we have the briefing, in every 2 weeks, we have a kind of online consultation with industry professionals from Mercedes-Benz.
And how long does it take a process to go from sketch to the final clay model?
I would say in a semester we have nearly 3 months. So research and ideation around, I would say, 5 to 6 weeks, and developing the ideas in another kind of 4 to 6 weeks.
So you also graduated from MOME?
Yeah, I'm also a MOME alumni. I graduated in 2012.
What was your graduation project?
Actually, it was selling yacht.
Okay.
Under the brand of Cetra, which is also connected to Mercedes-Benz.
Did you make a one-to-one scale model?
Actually, it was 1 to 70, I guess. So the original size would be 70 meters.
Wow.
So it's quite big.
So I would say it's not only like a car design here, you focus on different projects as well.
Yes, exactly. As a starting point was kind of automotive design, and we are continuing this collaboration with Mercedes-Benz over 20 years. And our recent focus next to it, it's urban mobility and micromobility, which is, I think it's really important and kind of trending topic nowadays. If you want to apply, go to mome.hu. There will be the details of application.
If you are considering studying car design, check the links in the description, and you can also directly contact MOME through their website. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.